Greetings, everyone. We know that people are struggling to apply for waivers. We have been explaining the difficulties that people are faced with. But you also have to understand that there are bogus law firms out there that are taking your money, that are exploiting desperate Zimbabweans. And we have said this message clearly that if you know that you do not apply for a waiver, do not lose your money to bogus people. There's a law firm, I don't know whether it is registered, but there's a law firm around Rivonia. I will not name the law firm. I'm too poor to defend myself in court. I don't have money to be fighting court cases. But there is a law firm. It's around the address. I've seen the business card is around Rivonia. They've printed nice business cards. They call themselves immigration lawyers. They write in their business cards the services that they provide. They might not be the only one, and there are many out there who certainly are experts on immigration. And at this law firm, they are charging 20,000 rands to assist you to apply for a waiver. A waiver that you're not going to get. 20,000 rands. I mean, a person who applies for a waiver in the main is a person who's not highly paid. So your annual savings from January, you have been saving your money, which you want to use for some investments. Then you take those savings, pay 20,000 rands to a bogus law firm for a waiver that you're not going to get. What does this mean? We said we give you free advice on anything relating to immigration through this channel. And we said we are not asking you to pay us a cent. We don't ask you to pay a consultation fee. No. We said you are going to deal with the YouTube. They will have to pay us, but you don't pay us. Well, if you check the videos that we have recorded, there are many videos on immigration, the process of applying and so forth, many videos that we have recorded on this YouTube channel. If you just give yourself time, sit at home over the weekend, while you are watching football, it's World Cup now, you go through all our videos, you will not then be misled by anyone, because we give you free consultation, free, absolutely free. Every information that you need on immigration, it is in this YouTube channel. But because you see someone giving you a card saying they are immigration lawyers, you then think these are the experts, is an immigration lawyer is going to assist me. They will charge you 20,000 rands, you pay it, you not get the waiver. We must understand this. We in this YouTube channel will not mislead you. We have said, you remember there's a video that we posted. I think I posted yesterday because last time I was posting some clips of the presentation that I did when we were in some conference in Boxburg in the presence of the acting deputy director of Home Affairs. Yesterday we then posted I think it was full. No, it was not really full, but it is 9 minutes video for that presentation. And the official who was there said all questions should be put in writing with respect to the waiver. In that email address that was given, ZEP inquiries. We're still waiting for them to respond though. You remember I did say that I spoke to the spokesperson of the minister, Siyakoza, who directed us and actually assisted us to write to the task team put together by the minister. Up to this day, members of that task team, they have not responded. Meaning, as we said, because we want always to tell you the truth, we cannot tell you on how to apply for a waiver because they have not clarified. We can only assist those, as we have explained in numerous videos, that are professionals. Maybe your qualification is level 6, they require level 7. You can then apply for a waiver to say you are appealing or you're asking them or requesting them to waiver the level 7 qualification and accepting you with your level 6. Those that are qualified will understand what I'm talking about. We said that's a person that can apply for a waiver. But all of us, the majority, you do not qualify because you do not know what to waive. So you can imagine how much you earn as a petrol attendant. You then come across some business card nicely done, written nicely, that they are immigration lawyers in Rivonia. You have to pay them 20,000 rands and you take all your savings and pay them for something that will not come out. We know that there are many that have set camp around VFS in Rivonia claiming to be assisting, and some claiming to be conniving with the VFS officials. VFS does not make any decision. Theirs is just their courier company, to put it in simple language. Theirs is simple to transfer your documents to the Department of Home Affairs. They just check, because they have a list of the required documents when you come and apply. They tick that you have submitted all the necessary documents as per what is required. They simple courier your documents to the Department of Home Affairs. Once the Department of Home Affairs is done, the courier back to VFS goes to collect the outcome, which you go and collect from them. So they don't make a decision. So even if someone says, I know someone who works at VFS, they are going to assist us or pay 20,000 or 10,000 or 5,000, whatever the case might be, it's not them who make the decision. The minister put a special team headed by the former director in the presidency. Those are the people that make decisions, and we are not going to see them because the VFS is just a conduit. It's a conduit between us, the applicants, and the Department of Home Affairs. So in other words, VFS is an agent of Home Affairs, if we put it in simple terms. So if VFS is an agent of Home Affairs, you then go and pay an agent to submit to another agent. Don't you think that is some kind of weird? Because remember, before VFS was appointed in 2014, there were a number of agencies. So in 2014, they were closed down and the government created one agency called the VFS. So when now you want to pay an agent to go and submit to an agent, which this agent, which is official, then he goes to submit your documents to government. So don't pay your 20,000 to someone who is said to be an immigration lawyer if you're a holder of ZEP, because the application is straightforward. The requirements are straightforward. If you don't qualify, you don't qualify. There's nothing that you can do about it. You have to accept that here I don't qualify. This is why we are saying we are still engaging government and the ruling party in South Africa to review the decision they made on the 24th of November 2021 because you do not qualify. Because we know that you'll end up paying 20,000 or even more thinking that you qualify. So please, let's not waste money. Let's not pay agencies who are going to submit to the government agents. Because in any fact, you do not need an agent to pay an agent to submit. We said you might have challenges to use a computer to apply, to open the website, to complete online. You might have challenges. And we said you can sit with a brother or a sister or someone, a comrade, maybe you give them 50 rand and rand, they might do for free, just assist you to complete the information online and then submit. So you don't need an agent to assist you for submission because the information is just straightforward, right? So this thing of you going to lawyers, this thing of you going to agencies, paying them money to submit to a government agency known as Waivers is not honor, just wasting money. But again, it's your money. It's your money, it's not my money, it's your money. We at the Ngabuto Mabena Talk Show, we don't charge you. Just follow our YouTube channel. You get free information. We will not mislead you. We will talk to YouTube to say there are many people that are now following us. We are giving them information. Please pay us. We are not asking you to pay us. Let's get that very clear. So stick to this YouTube channel. You will not go wrong. And we are not going to mislead you. Please circulate this video because I know that as you are watching this video now, your friend, a comrade, or someone that you know might be preparing to pay the 20,000. And some are still paying for fake payments. Imagine, let's just imagine, as I'm concluding, imagine this. Maybe by February, March, government says, okay, we give ZEP holders another 3 years or 4 years. Let's just imagine that. And when now already you have a fake permit in your passport. Because you went to some bogus people, they stole, like I explained in one of the videos, that the people at Home Affairs, they've got permit stickers, right? They will simply remove the sticker, put it in your passport, permanent residence, and they will think, now I have a permanent residence permit. It's a new passport. You have put a fake permanent residence stamp in your passport. Say February, March, then government says, okay, we made a decision in 2021, you have stayed for a year and a half, still on grace period. Instead of us saying this is a grace period, will give you another 3 years to wrap your things and go back to Zimbabwe. And they will now already have a fake permit in your passport. What do you think will happen to you? They are going to arrest you. So do not do anything outside the law. I know we're desperate, but let's do everything within the confines of the law. Let's not cut corners. If government says we're not renewing, it's fine. We have to accept they are not renewing. If they say, as we continue to engage them, they then say, no, we have heard your cries, well, we understand, we'll give you 2 years or 3 years. We're now ready to have a fake permit. They are going to arrest you and you are not going to get a permit. So avoid doing things outside the confines of the law. Please circulate this video. I am Ngabuto Nicholas Mabena. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't do things that are outside the law. Always do correct things. Otherwise, have a great day. Goodbye.